Go to this. Hit that one whoever again. Hey. Hi, my name is Tina. I was a big slutty vegan for the first time to get slutted out. It looks like I have something with vegan bacon and cheese. Let's see how that works out. And to see if it don't mess up my red lipstick.
We got a slut in the building.
Hey. This shit fire as fuck. What the fuck is wrong with these people? This shit good. So I was watching
your bacon hanging out like that.
Girl,
You ain't bite it right. Bite it again.
You know what's her name? The brat and her wife was talking about this, and it was so. And she was talking about how good it was. And I was like, I'm gonna go down there to ATL, get my own shit, and then. Clark Street Town. We came to the vegan house of pancakes, y'all. We placed our order. Very, very seamless. They got some nice options. They calling our orders out quick. We just walking around some big pretty pink house. You know, you get how you live. You get, look at this house, y'all. It's so cute. Gray greeted us and gave us the spiel. Let me show y'all this house. It's so cute. Let me turn it around. Easy to get to, right off the E-way for the most part. Probably about 4 minutes off the E-way in East Point. Period. Period. Oh. Period. I should have did this sideways. I ain't good at this. Look, they got their food already. They probably calling me in the back, but I'm doing the most. Okay. I'll be back. I'm gonna tell y'all what this tastes like. Give me a second. And the plate. Y'all ready to see this plate? Y'all ready to see? How your plate? How your plate, girl? How your plate? How your plate, girl? How your plate? And it's good. Hold on. So I had a little bit of every. Yeah, I got a little bit of everything. Oh my God, the little syrup getting on my. I'm gonna freak out. The syrup is getting on my my cheesy potatoes. So I got a little bit of everything, and it's fine. Hold on, where's my flash at? Oh, it's dark. Oh, it's dark. Yeah, it's in the bag. I don't know, I ain't tasted it. Tofu scramble, cheesy potatoes, grits, sausage, blueberry pancakes. Banging. I ain't even taste the pancakes. I ain't gonna hold you up. Let me see. How y'all pancakes taste? Did everybody get blueberry? Oh, everybody got something different. I thought about that peaches. But I ain't really give me no pancakes. They already wanted some, so I just ate some of his blueberry. Ooh, that's good. That's good. That good, that good.
I got 3 pancakes. You want more in some of these pieces?
Not yet.
In the closet. The closet in a little cross section area. That ain't just ate, bruh.
You said you want some? Get in your chair, Zay. Okay. Quick update. I done ran to Atlanta and I'm back in Chicago. And I done took them big kids home. So now I'm left with these 2. And the other ones with they paw. Oh my God, so much has been going on. We went to Atlanta to drop the kids off. Zay, shh. But also, it was my friend's birthday, so we hit a lot of spots in Atlanta. And they watched the kids, so I was able to go out and I'd be having, breastfeed and do all the things. Don't be looking at my stomach, guys. I'm working on it. Got a little auntie arm going on too. But look, I went to a lot of different spots. I got some of them on this video. Zay. I got a lot of them, a lot of footage. But yeah, just a little update on my situation. I'm still at my sister's house right now. I'm at my mom's house helping out my granny. Leaving here shortly, but this is still the same routine. I still haven't been able to put my granddaddy on with the Department of Aging so that I could help him out as well. I ask him all the time, like, granddaddy, you need help with this, help with that. He always gonna keep saying no. I just gotta go over there, like, cook or like help him around and stuff, cause he don't need help with nothing. He's like a very high functioning old person, but I just want to help him. Anyway, at my sister's house, it's still kind of a lot with these 2, chasing them down all day long, but at least I don't have these 2 and the big kids. Not having to feed the big kids is awesome. However, I also don't have the big kids to, here, can you hold the baby for me? We do a lot of trading of favors. They might watch the baby for me for 20 minutes because they want me to do something for them or something like that. So we help each other out like that. So I don't have them at all to do that, like so I can get a shower or something like that. But my sister does help me a lot with watching the babies. So I can do stuff, and it's just that give and take kind of thing. Right now my plan is to be here for maybe like the next month, stack my bread, and knock some things, some immediate things off my list. I don't have a going forward plan yet. I'm just trying to keep faith and know something else is gonna come, so that I don't have to feel like I have to go back and don't have my setup ready for me. Not the chemical drawer, please. That has been the biggest part of this whole entire thing. Like, everywhere we go, nothing is baby proof, so all day long I'm chasing them around. Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. It's okay. So yeah, everything's okay because we're back to, you know, our regular schedule program, what we were doing anyway, but it's all just a lot, and I'm taking it piece by piece. Yesterday we got off the plane and I had to come straight to work to my mom's house to help my granny, because yesterday was the day that my mom goes into work to work with her clients and stuff like that. Stop. Just let me. Stop. Look how you got. Look. Yes. But so I was so tired when I got to my sister's house, and the babies needed a bath. They just rolled around on everybody's floor and all types of stuff. So it's just been a lot. It's just been a lot. But we doing good. I'm gonna check back in again. I don't know what I missed. I'm all over the place. Yeah. Here we go. My biggest caveat right now is that I am staying grounded. Nothing, even if I get a little frustrated, tired, whatever, I feel like I am doing well because nothing is breaking me. Nothing is sending me into a flurry like how it may have a little while ago. So that has been my biggest thing to keep going, is just to stay grounded. If I feel like I am becoming under regulated, if that's a word, if that's the right word, then I know that it's time to get some air, maybe ask for some help, maybe go take a shower, you know, take a walk, whatever it is at that moment that I think will help me to gather myself and just to remind myself that it's all temporary. It's all temporary. Yeah. And we here. Like, comment, and subscribe, bitches.